Hello students, today we'll discuss how we can convert given decimal number into equivalent binary number. As we know that in the decimal number system, the base of the system is 10 and in binary number system, the base of the system is 2. To convert decimal number into equivalent binary number, we have to use double method. What is this double method? We have to divide given decimal number by 2. Why 2? Because in binary number system, the base of the system is 2. So let us solve one example. So the first example is we have taken 23 to the base 10. We have to convert this 23 into binary number. So let us solve this. 23 is the given decimal number. So we are going to divide this 23 by 2. Where 2 is nothing but divisor, 23 is nothing but dividend. We are going to write quotient and remainder here. We are going to write remainder here. So let us divide this 23 by 2. So if we will divide this 23 by 2, the quotient will come 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So the remainder is 1. If we will again divide this 11 by 2, so the quotient is 5 and remainder is 1. If we will again divide this 5 by 2, so the quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. Again if we will divide this 2 by 2, the quotient is 1, remainder is 0. Now this step is very important. If we will divide this 1 by 2, as 1 is not divisible by 2, so we are going to write 0 here and this 1 we are going to transfer here. Okay. Now we are going to write the equivalent binary number. How we can write? We have to consider this remainder in the reverse direction. So the answer is 23 to the base 10 equals to 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 to the base 2. How we have calculated this? We are going to consider this remainder in the reverse direction. Okay. Now let us consider second example. The second example is we are going to convert 42 into equivalent binary number. Okay. So again same we have to use double method. So divide 42 by 2. To divide 42 by 2, write down the quotient. The quotient is here 21 and the remainder is 0. This is a remainder. Again if we will divide this 21 by 2, the quotient is 10 and the remainder is 1. If we will divide this 10 by 2, so the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 0. If we will divide this 5 by 2, the quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. If we will divide this 2 by 2, the quotient is 1, remainder is 0. And now if we will divide this 1 by 2, it is not divisible by 2, so we will write 0 here. This 1 is transferred here. So now consider the remainder in reverse direction. So our equivalent answer is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 to the base 2. Okay. This is the equivalent binary number of the given number 42 to the base 10. Now we will again consider one example. Now we are going to consider fraction number also. So we are going to consider the example 9.625 to the base 10 and we are going to convert this into equivalent binary number. Okay. So first convert this decimal number 9 into binary number. How we can convert? Just divide this 9 by 2. Write down remainder here. Okay. So divide this 9 by 2. The quotient is 4. Remainder is 1. Again divide this 4 by 2. The quotient is 2. Remainder is 0. If we again divide 2 by 2. So the quotient is 1. Remainder is 0. As this 1 is not divisible by 2. So we will write 0 here. This one will transfer here. So consider this remainder in the reverse direction. So what is the answer? The answer is 1, 0, 0, 1 to the base 2. This is one part. We have converted this 9 into equivalent binary number. Now we will consider this 0.625 to the base 10. We have to convert this into equivalent binary number. How we can convert this? As we have already discussed, for fractional part, we have to multiply it by 2. Why we have to multiply it by 2? Because the base of the system is 2. And record the carry in the integer position. We have to record the carry. Partial part is again multiplied by 2 till the fractional part becomes 0. And then we have to take the carry in forward direction. Okay. So let us start. 0.625 into 2. The multiplication comes 1.25. What we have to do? We have to forward, or we have to take the integer part as a carry. So we have considered 1 here. Now the fractional part is 0.25. Again multiplied by 2. What is the answer? 0.5. So this 0 is considered as a carry. So forward here. 0.5 into 2. Now the answer is multiplication is 1.00. Right? So this one is as a carry. Now this time we have to consider this carry. This is nothing but our carry. Carry in forward direction. Okay? In previous case we have considered the remainder in reverse direction. But here we have to consider carry in forward direction. So what is the answer? 0.101. Okay, to the base 2. Now this is our answer for the fractional part 0.625. So what is the total answer for 9.625 to the base 10 equals to 1001 point. This 1001 is for 9 and now it is 101. This is for 0.625. This is our required answer, that is equivalent binary number for the given decimal number. Thank you.